All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Off These by JID featuring J. Cole, and this is my favorite JID song. It's fucking awesome, and especially with J. Cole, that's like a duo you wouldn't really expect, because JID is like a, an up-and-coming rapper, and J. Cole's like one of like the best rappers like to ever exist. So it's kind of weird seeing them both on a song together, but it just works so fucking well. You guys should definitely go listen to it. One of my favorite JID songs, and let's actually get into the shoes. Okay, so this is the box that the shoes come in, and obviously you guys know what we're taking a look at. Fragment Jordan 3s, and I had to pay resale for these because they sold out and I wasn't able to get a pair. I paid around I believe I paid like $3 something just because I did do a trade, so it wasn't too bad. I got a size 9, and let me see how much retail was. It was $200, so it's probably around $220-ish after tax and shipping if you did get them for retail. Right now they are going for around $570 to $600 depending on your size, which is a lot for these. I don't know if I would pay that much personally. The only reason why I really bought them was because, again, I did get them off of a trade. And looking at the box, it's not a regular Jordan 3 box. We have obviously that Fragment logo, the little hole right here that you could like pick up the shoe box with, and obviously the Jumpman with 2 different color blues. And you're gonna see the shoes in a second, but the shoes were actually supposed to be this color. There is a couple leaked images. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. I would have preferred if they looked like that, but it's fine that they look like this. It's kind of plain, but you'll see it in a second. You got that Fragment and Jumpman paper. Move that to the side. Oh, okay. I guess it came ripped. I did not know that. And these shoes, they're clean, man. They're definitely clean. Obviously, it's probably going to be one of the best shoes to come out this year just because of the hype around it. And, man, that little stamp right there. And obviously, this big stamp right there. But this is like the main one. If it wasn't for this shoe would be sitting everywhere. And literally probably nobody would want it. This shoe actually reminds me a lot of the Cyber Mondays. I don't know if you guys remember those from a couple years back. It comes with that black leather right there. The Cyber Mondays, I believe, were all black, and those sat for like a long time. So yeah, this shoe definitely reminds me of those. But since it does have that Fragment logo back there, there is some hype. And also you have Fragment on like the interior part right here that usually says Jordan, Fragment on both sides, which I thought that was kind of cool. And this shoe had a lot of potential, man. And I don't want to say they like dropped the ball because I feel like it is really good. It is genuinely a good shoe. I love these 2 logos back here. I love like the Fragment oriented designs, but they could have done so much more. Like if they would have made this all blue, like I showed you guys a picture earlier, it would have been amazing. If they just did a couple other designs, like I love this design right here, how it's like all white. It's kind of like a grayish silver. That looks really good, but if they would have done like something on the upper, it would have been so much better. This had the potential to be better than the Jordan 1. And honestly, if I feel like if they did do a lot like more design, I guess, and didn't leave it as plain, it would have been better than the Jordan 1. Not to say that like it's not a good shoe, don't get me wrong, it is an awesome shoe. I really like this shoe, but it could have been so much better. But yeah, let me actually stop talking and show you guys the shoes, spin them around. Let me know if you guys were able to pick them up for retail. Quality on the shoe, it's okay. It's nothing crazy. I would say it's a little bit better than the Black Cement 3s from a couple years ago. Just a little bit. It's not like shattered backboard or anything. The sock liner is actually pretty soft. It's like a different material than regular Jordan 3s. It's pretty good. Overall, the materials I wouldn't say are amazing, but they're not terrible. So that's cool, I guess. This is okay as well. And something unique is this little thing right here, like a little barcode thing. It's not like a barcode, but it's like coding or some shit for like the Fragment design. I feel like that's kind of random. I don't know. But something they did do was this white stitching right here. I think that looks really nice. That's definitely like a small hidden thing, but it looks really good. They also did it right there. And overall, this shoe it's okay. It is definitely, I would say probably one of the best Jordan 3s that came out this year just because of that Fragment branding. Again, if it wasn't for that, being 100% a hype beast, these would not have been as hyped or be as good as they are now. And I also want to tell you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, my like back tab, oh yeah, the Jordan, you can see it right there behind the Fragment, is a little bit like, it's not exactly white. And I have seen a lot of pictures of people's back tabs yellowing, so I'm assuming this eventually is gonna yellow and be like, it's gonna look really bad. And I hope that doesn't happen like really easily. Like I hope if I don't wear these like one time, they'll be like completely yellow like other off-white shoes. Like what was it, the all-white Air Force Ones, the original ones? Like you wore those once, they're yellow. So I really hope that doesn't happen with this. And I have seen a good amount of like people with yellowed like back tabs, and it really sucks, which makes me not want to wear this shoe because I don't want it to be all yellow back here. It'll be like all around this area right here. It's like a little bit, I don't know, you can't really tell too much on my pair. It kind of looks a little bit yellow, like just a little bit, but not too much. So I'm really scared that it's gonna yellow like really, really bad. Let me actually show you guys the insole. It's basically just a dark blue with that Fragment logo and the Jumpman. It's basically this color. And let's actually take a look at these on feet. But before that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.